In the previous class, we have already seen what is the problem of a binary search tree, and if we have some keys and given their probabilities, if I'm wanting to construct a binary search tree from those keys so that cost of searching within the tree is minimum, then the problem is known as optimal binary search tree problem. A probable dynamic programming solution to the problem has been given, where optimal binary search tree is dividing the problem into two halves, where if I am running a tree from low to high, I am trying to find the root of the tree for which the cost is minimum, so that the tree is divided by the root. So I keep on dividing the root, I select a root, and I am now having the tree from low to root -1 and from root +1 till high. I keep on dividing the tree and I call the best choice of the root for the two halves, where my best choice algorithm says, in case my high is less than low, in that case the tree is empty. Since it's a binary search tree, in that case the condition has to hold that my parent is greater than my child, sorry, the parent is greater than the left child and it is less than the right child. Automatically all the right children have to be greater than the left children. So in case my high is less than low, in that case a tree is not possible and I have an empty tree. In case I am having an empty tree, I say that cost of computing or searching in an empty tree is 0 and the root of an empty tree is taken to be -1. Else I'm initializing the cost of the tree to be infinite so that I can compare later on. I am trying to find the crux equation here. The crux equation here is, for every possible choice of root, which is from low to high, for a given value, for every possible choice of root, I'm running the loop where I'm calculating the cost of searching, which is the probability from low to high, plus cost of left half of the tree, plus cost of searching in the right half of the tree. So this is the equation that I need to calculate. If I find the cost to be better than the best cost, I update the best cost and possible root. Otherwise, I don't update. When this is over, I update the cost and the root matrix with the best cost and best root. That is all I am doing in the entire algorithm. I believe now it will not go blur. I was making it. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, why are we storing the best cost and best root in the matrix, like in the matrix,
No, we
first
are
in root?
at the end.
Yes, ma'am, towards the end.
Towards the end, because best cost is the best cost of searching with the correct value of the root. Just for example, I will again make you recall what I am meaning by this. I am having a few keys A, I'm having, sorry, in case A is there. So I'm having supposedly this is B, this is C, this is A, this is some D, and this is some E. I'm just taking examples over here. So in this case, this is also a binary search tree. Now, if C is the best root, and so best cost would be minimum. So I am storing that from A to E. What is the cost A to E? Cost A to E is searching in the entire tree which is running from A to E. What is the optimal route for this tree? A to E. The route for this tree in current example is C. C might not be the best choice. So I'm looking for best choice with minimum cost, which I'm checking in this for loop. When I found the minimum cost with the correct route, I need to save it. So in case I choose D to be the root and I'm choosing C and then I'm choosing B and A, suppose, or I'm choosing B and I'm choosing C and A like this and having E. If this is supposedly A to E tak ki tree mein, this is the best route. In that case, I will update the cost to be whatever minimum value is there and the best route to be D instead of C. So after I have found the best cost and best route, I am storing the values in my final matrix which I will be using. Now, dynamic programming says instead of finding the entire tree first, I will be looking for single trees, then trees with 2 keys, then trees with 3 keys, then trees with 4 keys, and then I will be reaching my final answer. This is the dynamic programming approach. Optimal substructure, छोटे problem से बड़ा solution create करना है. So we are storing the smaller solutions first, then we will reach the final solution which will be given here in the form of cost and in the root matrix, similar matrix in the form of the root. बट ओनली ए की रूट से सोल्यूशन कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि दिस इज ओनली टेलिंग डी एज द रूट फ्रॉम ए टू ई. अब सब ट्री का भी तो आपको रूट पता होना चाहिए, बेस्ट रूट अगेन. So to do that, we construct the entire matrix and we are storing the result in the double dimensional array. Fine? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Got it. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, Bache. So now let's see at the cost matrix here. Now we are having two matrices, a root matrix and a cost matrix, in which we are going to store our final results. Now we have to understand that below this main diagonal of the matrix, now this matrix, again you have to recall, it is running from 0 to n. There are 6 keys. I am given an example here. In the example there are a b c d e f 6 keys, and the probabilities of the searching the key from some prior knowledge are given already to me in the question. The question is construct an optimal binary search tree for the given keys and probabilities. Now we have to look for the solution. Now we will always be constructing the matrix such that the number of rows is running from 1 till n plus 1, and the number of columns is running from 0 till n. So technically the matrix is n plus 1 cross n plus 1 matrix. Please always recall, I am constructing an extra row and extra column, but columns are running from 0 till n, rows are running from 1 to n, n plus 1. Remember this, we will be doing the same thing. Now low to high will just be seeing. Below the diagonal, what is happening is high is less than low. High is technically what? It is the column number. Low is the row number here we are saying. So whatever low is there, if this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and if we are having 1 as high and 4 as low, then it's an empty tree. So below the main diagonal, we are not interested. All of them are 0 values. These are just 0 values. Below the main diagonal, it's an empty tree. No possibilities exist. Is it clear? A yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope I am making myself clear and you people are not having any doubts. So let us begin. Even if you technically see the diagonal elements, they are also 0. Diagonal element kya hai? That is a single tree. When I am having a single tree, the diagonal element mean, again for diagonal elements in the current matrix, if you see, high is less than low. High is 2, low is 1. High is 3, low is 2. So for diagonal elements also, high is less than low, so even they are 0. The condition remains the same. We have chosen the matrix such that the diagonal elements remain here 0. So below the main diagonal, both cost matrix and root matrix are not important to us. उन्हें initialize करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. We just don't take care of them because they are not important. So I can technically remove this. Like my matrix chain multiplication, I am only interested in the above half. So I do not require this part of the matrix because here my high is less than the low. I don't require this. Here if I am checking, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is what I am interested in. Similarly, I have a very similar root matrix in which again I am constructing 7 rows and 7 columns. Again, I have not counted, so this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A 0 is also required. So I will be creating a 0 here. And at the end, one more. So this is my root matrix and that is my cost matrix. So I'm having a root and a cost matrix. Now let us begin with the algorithm. When I'm beginning with the algorithm, you have to recall that I'm running from low initially. Where am I running the algorithm from? Initially low is n plus 1 and this low will go till 1. n plus 1 से लेके 1 तक जाएगा, low minus minus करते जाएंगे. And within this I am having a nested loop in which high is running from low minus 1 till it will go till less than n, less than equal to n तक जाएगा. So low -1 से initialize होगा. Initially when I am having 6 keys, given the probabilities, now let's see what happens in this case. Initially the value of low is 7. Initially the value of high is 6 within the nested loop. Now when low is 7, high is 6, high is less than low, the value will be equated to be 0. So the diagonal elements here are done 0. Below the diagonal kuch nahi hoga. Diagonal elements are computed to be 0 and the diagonal elements in the root matrix are equated to be -1. Are you understanding? This will run. Is it clear? एक एक करके रन करेगा. ऑब्वियसली मैंने सारे एक साथ लिख दिए. इनिशियली ये 1 होगा, फिर ये -1 होगा, फिर रो बाय रो चलेंगे. बट दिस इज इनिशियली equated to be 0, this to be -1. Next time when the loop runs, high becomes 7 and low is also 7. Now when both are 7, then what will happen? Then best cost is equated to infinite and the only possible route between low 7 to high 7 is 7. एक ही route possible है which is 7 itself. So R becomes 7. A single value of R is possible. In that case I calculate R. How do I calculate R? Probability from low to high. Now probability from 7 to 7 is probability of 7. What is the probability of 7? What is the probability of 7? Are you all understanding what I'm trying to say or not? Class?
Ma'am, it's 0.08.
0.08 is the probability of not 7 but 6. There are 6 keys. A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes,
5,
ma'am.
and 6. There are 6 keys. Understand? When I'm trying to fill, this is 7th row, 7th column. The value I have already here is 7th row, 7th column is lying below the main diagonal. I'm not interested. I am not interested. 7th row, 7th column existence में ही नहीं है ना, n तक चल रहा है यहाँ पे. ध्यान देना ये बात. So this will not be calculated. Next time when I run the loop, the low is decremented. Low now becomes पहले low 7 था, अब low now the low is beginning with a 6. यहाँ पे 7 था, अब हम यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. ठीक है? You're going like here. ध्यान रखना. I will again repeat. Initially low was 7. N plus 1. N is 6. High was computed to be low -1 which is 6. High कहाँ तक चल सकता है? Less than equal to n तक. N क्या है? 6. जब high +1 होगा तो 6 + 1 7 होगा तो loop run ही नहीं करेगा. 7,7 के लिए my mistake, the loop will not run because there is no column 7,7th column ही नहीं है तो कहाँ run करेगा? So it will not run. Next time I will come out to the outer loop again. Low value will change to be 6. High will be low minus when it becomes 5. When I am calculating 5,6, this value will be 0, this value will be -1. After this is done, high goes to 6. Now I have to calculate 6,6, which is the 6,6. This is what I am going to calculate now. This particular value for cost and root. Now when I am saying 6,6, only key f is possible in the tree. It is the root itself. When I am talking of tree root f, what is the probability of searching in the tree? Probability of f itself. Same thing will happen. What is the r cost? Probability of low to high. If I am calculating r cost here, it is probability of 7 plus cost of low and r minus 1 here becomes low is 6, r minus 1 is, understand what is happening here. I am trying to divide the root. Root is 7 here. When I am having some root 6 itself, sorry, the root is not actually divided here. It is a single tree. तो उसको division तो possible ही नहीं है. ये loop तब चलेगा जब r is less than equal to I and r is equal to low. यहीं तक तो loop चलेगा. So in this case, P cost will be calculated as the cost of R cost. So this value will become the probability of F, which becomes 0.08. ये समझ आया?
मैम एक बार ये प्लीज दोबारा से समझा
मैं
दो.
फिर से समझा रही हूँ. I am having, आपको ये समझना है कि When I am talking just above the Venn diagonal, these are representing trees with single keys. एक की का ट्री है, तो जो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सर्चिंग की है वो यहाँ पे एज इट इज कॉपी कर रहे हैं हम. 6,6 में f की प्रोबेबिलिटी, 5,5 में 5 की प्रोबेबिलिटी, 4,4 में 4 की प्रोबेबिलिटी, 3,3 में 3 की, एंड सो ऑन. सिमिलरली रूट में हम वो वाला एलिमेंट कॉपी कर देंगे. 6 एलिमेंट ही एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है ट्री में, तो वही रूट है. 5th एलिमेंट एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है तो 5th रूट है, एंड सो ऑन. ये समझ आ गया? इसके लिए कैलकुलेशन और लूप को रन नहीं करना पड़ेगा. एग्जाम में एक्सक्यूज मी जब आएगा आपका क्वेश्चन, you can directly fill this with 1 2 3 4 5 6 and this is filled with the probability of 1 2 3 4 5 6. अगर 6 की है तो, अगर उससे कम है तो similar manner. Is it clear now?
Yes ma'am, समझ आ गया.
In
Thank you
similar
ma'am.
words. So technically अभी यहाँ पे 0.08 आया और यहाँ पे 6 आया. अगर if I am going by the loop, then next time the loop will run, again the root will go higher, it will not be run, low की value है. Now low becomes 5. next row पे आएंगे हम. Similarly यहाँ के लिए 0 रन करेगा. Similarly यहाँ पे ये वैल्यू फिल हो जाएगी 0.04, यहाँ पे वैल्यू फिल हो जाएगी 5. Now I will reach a point where I will be having a low to be 5 and I will be having a high to be 6. Sorry, हाँ, तो आई एम हैविंग लो 5 एंड हाई 6. पहला पॉइंट आया जहाँ पे कि दो रूट्स पॉसिबल है. 5 भी रूट हो सकता है, ई भी रूट हो सकता है, एफ भी रूट हो सकता है. अब इस केस में क्या होगा? जब आपका रूट पहले 5 है बाद में 6 होगा, रूट की दो वैल्यूज पॉसिबल है लो से हाई तक, तो इसमें पहले 5 फिर 6, तो आर कॉस्ट इज कैलकुलेटेड एज, अगर आई एम टेकिंग द रूट टू बी 5 इनिशियली, in that case this is p low to high which is p 5,6, probability of 5,6. ऐसे देखेंगे 5,6 की probability. So low से high तक में जाना है हमें. I am dividing my tree. I am running from low to high. After running from low to high, I am calculating the cost of low. Low is my 5, comma root minus 1. Root is 5, so this becomes 4. Are you all getting this? Am I making myself clear or am I not making myself clear?
Ma'am, it's clear.
Thank you so much. So when I'm calculating the probability from low to high here, and then I'm having my cost to be 5,4 plus cost of root plus 1, which is 5 plus 1 is 6, comma high, which is again 6 here. This will be calculated as probability of 5,6 क्या है? Probability of 5,6 is probability of 5 plus probability of 6. This one thing maybe I have not told earlier, so let me tell you. Probability of a comma b is, या a comma c is, उसके बीच में जितने भी आए उन सबकी probabilities को add करना चाहिए. It is probability of a plus probability of b plus probability of c and so on. Understanding? So when I am talking of probability of 5,6, it is equal to probability of 5 plus probability of 6, cost of 5,4. 5,4. So cost here, it is 0. 5,4 is 0. Cost of 6,6 is 0.08. 6,6 is 0.08. The tree with only element 6. So probability of 5 is 0.04. Probability of 6 is 0.08. So I add 0.04, 0.08 plus 0.08. So this total comes out to be
0.2. 0.2.
0.2. This is for root 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have for root 5, I have the cost to be 0.2 when I am calculating 5 से लेके 6 तक में. Now I will be checking the same for root 6. In this case, low to high will remain the same. Cost is from low to root minus 1. This is 5,5 and root plus 1, 7,6 till low. Now 7,6 की cost is 0. The tree does not exist. 5,5 की cost is 0.04. So I will be adding here 0.04 plus 0.08 plus 0.04. So this comes out to be, am I making myself clear? A yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This becomes 0.16.
16.
0.16 or 0.12? 16 should be there. ठीक है? Fine class?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
हाँ हाँ
मैम एक बार आप प्लीज इनर लूप का बता दो कि हाउ इट इज लाइक हाउ ये कैलकुलेटिंग फॉर रूट 5 and 6 क्रक्स समझ आ गया बट इस इनर लूप कैसे चलिए एक बार वो बता दो प्लीज.
यहाँ पे मैं लिख रही हूँ रूट इज 6, सी इज 0.16. अभी हम इनर रूट पे हैं. यहाँ पे क्या है, ये जो है आप ये देखो, लो इज 5, हाई इज 6. इसका मतलब है कि ट्री में दो रूट्स है, दो नोड्स हैं 5 और 6. या तो ट्री ऐसा हो सकता है, इधर वन पॉसिबिलिटी इज दिस, सेकंड पॉसिबिलिटी इज दिस. सो आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट कि रूट 5 है या रूट 6 है. दो ही पॉसिबिलिटीज है इस ट्री में. रूट की वैल्यू इधर 5 इधर 6. सो रूट इज रनिंग फ्रॉम लो टिल लेस देन इक्वल टू हाई रूट प्लस प्लस. रूट की वो आर की वो वाली वैल्यूज ट्राई करनी है जो लो और हाई के बीच में लाई कर रही हैं. So I am calculating this R cost. This is my R cost. In case root is 5, the cost is 0.2. In case the root is 6, the cost is 0.16. अब R cost जो है पहले इनफाइनाइट थी तो वो पहले इनिशियलाइज हो गई. बेस्ट कॉस्ट और बेस्ट रूट आपके इनिशियलाइज हो गए 5,0.2 से. नेक्स्ट टाइम यू चेक R cost, it is 0.16. 0.16 is less than 0.2. Yes, that means a बेटर रूट इज पॉसिबल जिसके कि हमें कम सर्च करना पड़े. तो अपडेट रूट एंड कॉस्ट. तो इस केस में बेस्ट कॉस्ट और बेस्ट रूट अपडेट होके 6 और 0.16 हो जाएगा. जब यहाँ पे टेबल में स्टोर करेंगे तो क्या स्टोर करेंगे, 6 and 0.16. तो इन दोनों के ट्री में रूट शुड बी 6 and not 5. क्लियरली प्रोबेबिलिटी ई नोड की जो है कम है तो रूट कम वाले नोड की ज्यादा होना चाहिए ना. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? नहीं सॉरी, प्रोबेबिलिटी एफ
यस
की
मैम.
ज्यादा है,
मैम समझ आ गया.
एफ ज्यादा सर्च्ड है तो एफ शुड बी द रूट.
यस मैम.
प्लेन वर्ड्स. ये क्लियर हो रहा है
गॉट इट
आपको?
मैम. हाँ मैम.
एनीबडी हु हैज एनी डाउट टिल हियर? Anybody who is unable to understand due to any reason may please ask.
मैम रिपीट कर दो एक बार.
क्या चीज रिपीट करनी है ये तो बताना पड़ेगा. टोटल, व्हाट डू यू वांट मी टू रिपीट बेटा?
और तुम्हें एकदम बस बता दो जल्दी जल्दी.
सारा
ये 5,6 वाले का.
5,6 फिर से बता. ऐसे समझो, ऐसे समझो, फिर से समझो. अब आई हैव अ नोड 5 या नोड ई और नोड एफ. अब दो नोड्स पॉसिबल है. आई हैव टू सी कि इन दोनों में से रूट में इधर आई हैव अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट ई इज द पेरेंट एंड एफ बिकम्स द चाइल्ड, और I have the possibility that f is the parent and e becomes the child. Which is the tree which gives me optimal probability or cost of searching? जो ज्यादा सर्च्ड है वो रूट होना चाहिए ताकि जल्दी मिले. तो since f is searched more, technically it should be the root क्योंकि उसकी probability e से हाई है, तभी तो कॉस्ट ऑफ सर्चिंग डिक्रीज होगी. सेम चीज के लिए हमें क्या चेक करना है, रूट इधर ई हो सकता है या एफ हो सकता है. अब जब रूट हमने 5 लिया था, मतलब रूट हमने ई लिया था, तो हमने कॉस्ट ऑफ सर्चिंग कैलकुलेट करी 0.2. जब हमने रूट को एफ लिया तब हमने कॉस्ट ऑफ सर्चिंग कैलकुलेट करी 0.16. when we are calculating the costs like this, then since the cost at 0.16 is less, I will store 0.16 here and I will update the root here to be 6. Now is it clear? After the comparison, I have found कि parent should be f, root should be f. Is it now clear to all?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear now.
Using this R cost, Mansi को भी clear है? Using this R cost formula we have done this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So similar thing will happen. अब again दोबारा आपके root वाले loop से बाहर जाओगे, बाहर जाके you will be come out of this. You have to understand where from where we were calling, what was happening. So if I just quickly write down the small piece of code जिससे कि आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आए कि हो क्या आ रहा था, हमारा जो optimal BST algorithm चल रहा था, this algorithm was running. Within this algorithm, I was running a loop from low, which is running from n plus 1. Low is greater than equal to 1, and low minus minus we are doing. Within this, we are having a nested loop, which is running from high is equal to low minus 1. High should be less than equal to n and high plus plus. And within this, I am just calling the best choice for the low से लेके high तक क्या best choice possible है. I am calling that this is my best choice. So I am calling this best choice for what? The probability array जो कि same है, cost और root जो कि now when we are running the loop for low n plus 1 से high low minus 1, we are just calculating the best choice कि current tree के लिए root की best choice क्या है and what is the cost of searching in that tree. So we have checked for low is equal to 6. हमने low is the root column number, हमने 7 6 5 तक calculate कर लिया है. Now low changes to be 4. Now low is 4. High is initialized to be low minus 1. So high is initially 3. 3,4 के लिए 3,4 के लिए this is initialized to be 0. This is initialized to be minus 1. Again, it becomes 4,4. So the probability is the probability of searching D. It becomes 0.28 and the root here becomes 4. ये तो समझ आ रहा है ना सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
If you see from examinations point of view, I'm again saying you can simply fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. You will be here filling the probability of the key A, probability of the key B, probability of the key C, probability of the key D, E and F. ये तो इतना तो आप लोग बिना कुछ भी कैलकुलेशन के फिल कर सकते हैं, राइट? नेक्स्ट मैट्रिक इसके अबव जो हम भर रहे हैं, अगेन वी आर running filling from the bottom row first. What are we filling here? 2 roots के लिए राइट मोस्ट से लेके चल रहे हैं. So अगर हम राइट मोस्ट से ट्री कंस्ट्रक्ट करना चल रहे हैं तो we know that f is the root and e is the child. Since e is the child, it will be f child. This much tree we have confirmly found. ये समझ आ गया ना सबको? A yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So after this, आज अभिज्ञा को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Somehow the only 2 people that speak, आज उसके behalf पे चेतना is speaking. It is like that. So let's come back here. Since I cannot see you all, see I don't know who is speaking also. Coming back here. Now low will change. Low remains 4. High changes to be 5. High is still less than 6. Less than equal to 6 तक run करना है हमें high. 5 is still less than 6. Now I will be filling this column, this cell. So I want to fill the value in 4 to 5. Technically what I want to find, when I am constructing a tree for D and E, which is going to be the root. सिर्फ D और E में root कौन सा है मुझे search करना है. Now for searching this, I need to calculate the cost of searching. I am rubbing this part. So let me erase this part here. Again, when I am calculating my R cost, now R cost is being calculated for 1. जब हमने D को लिया है root, that means D और 4 is the root. Root is 4. Now R cost is equal to probability from low to high. Low to high is 4 to 5. Plus cost of searching the left half is low से लेके R minus 1 तक. R is 4, R minus 1. Plus cost of searching in the right half, which is R plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Let me write as 4 plus 1 only and 4 minus 1 only so that it clarifies. And this high becomes 5. So now probability of 4 to 5 is probability of 4 plus probability of 5. It becomes probability of 4 plus probability of 5. This is probability 4 to 5. Then cost of 4 comma 3. जब high 3 से बड़ा है, 3 is not possible, the cost is 0. Cost of 4 plus 1 comma 5 is 5 comma 5, nothing but cost of 5, which is 0.04. This all comes out to be, total करके जल्दी बताओ. 0.36 is coming out for me. I don't know what it is coming
Yes,
out.
ma'am. Ma'am, it's 0.36.
So 0.36 is the cost. When root is 4, the cost is 0.36. This I have calculated. Now for root is equal to e or 5, what is the cost? जो कम होगी उसे root ले लेंगे, यही करना है हमें. That is what the algorithm is also doing. So now let's change this. This will change to be, the root is changed to 5, this changes to 5 minus 1, and this changes to 5 plus 1. Rest all remains the same. So here cost of 4 comma 4 is cost of 4, which is 0.28. Cost of 6 comma 5 is, since high is greater than low, it becomes 0. So whatever this cost is, this is greater than 0.36. I don't even need to calculate. Although if you calculate, you will be getting 0.60, I believe. Right? So 0.60 greater than 0.36, minimum cost 0.36, that means D is the root of E. अब D is the root of E अगर यहाँ पे हमें पता है, तो हमें पता है कि F का लेफ्ट चाइल्ड तो E है, but D is the root of E. तो F के लेफ्ट चाइल्ड में पहले D आ रहा होगा, फिर यहाँ पे E आ रहा होगा. Understanding this? Are you all getting this? Am I able to make
Yes,
sense?
ma'am.
I hope I am making some sense over here. So I know that D is for sure the root of E. If only E and D are consulted, then D is a better root than E. Okay? Now let's move on to when high is, now this value now I have found out to be 0.36, and the root at which this is 0.36 is 4. Root is 4. So I've saved these two. Now I am moving on to another value of high, which is 6. 4 से लेकर 6 तक में रूट क्या होना चाहिए? अब 4 to 6 मतलब E F D में रूट क्या होना चाहिए? अब मुझे ये तो पता है कि D is the parent of E and I know that F is the parent of E. अब F और D में से कौन सा टेक्निकली रूट होना चाहिए, ये तो मुझे नहीं पता ना. I know that D is the root for E also, parent of E also, and F is the parent of E also. ये भी मुझे पता है. अब D और F में रूट कौन सा होना चाहिए, ये तो नहीं पता. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
For that, we have to calculate again. Now, three possibilities of root exist. Technically, E being the root is not a possibility, but algorithm will run for that possibility also. क्योंकि हमें तो दिख रहा है, तो इसलिए हम E की वाली वैल्यू ना भी कंसिडर करें, बट कंप्यूटर को तो ऐसे नहीं दिखेगा, तो कंप्यूटर विल कैलकुलेट फॉर ऑल. So when root is D, when root is E, and when root is F. When root is E में कॉस्ट बहुत ज्यादा आएगी, तो आप चाहे मत भी कैलकुलेट करना एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, बट इवन इफ यू कैलकुलेट यू विल बी गेटिंग द सेम आंसर. This is 4, 5 and 6. Now you are calculating from 4 to 6. Low is 4, high is 6. Now I am wanting to calculate the same cost here. The cost is 4 comma root is initially 4. 4, 5, 6, 3 possible roots are there. I'm calculating for 4 initially. So root is, this is cost of root low comma root minus 1, root plus 1 comma high. High is 6 now. So this becomes cost of, the probability 4 to 6 becomes probability of 4, probability of 5 plus probability of 6 also now. The probability of 6 is 0.08. Plus I will come at cost of 4 comma 3, this is 0, since 4 is greater than 3, and cost of 5 comma 6, I will have to see cost of 5, sorry, cost of 5 comma 6, this is coming out to be 5 comma 6 is coming out to be 0.16. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So this comes out to be 0.56. यही आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am. 0.56.
If you all are understanding, calculate the next cost. अब जब √5 हो जाएगा, this will change to be √-1. This changes to be √+1. This remains the same. Now cost of 4,4 I have to see here. It is 0.28. Cost of 6,6 is 0.08. This comes out. Technically it will be very high क्योंकि जब रूट e होगा हमें पता है कि e रूट हो नहीं सकता. This will go very high, so it is very high value. Need not even calculate also. It will go higher only. Let's calculate for then. Cost is 6 here. Sorry, root is 6. So cost becomes 4 comma √-1, √+1 and 6. So here 4 comma 5. This becomes 4 comma 5. This is 0.36. And this becomes 0, 7,6. This is also greater than 0.56. Whatever it is coming out to be is also greater. So √4 and 0.56 is the minimum cost. A yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So the root here becomes 4 and this becomes 0.56. Is anybody else also understanding other than Chetna? I want some responses. Am I making sense to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Oh.
So in similar manner, we keep on constructing the solution. Are you all understanding? So we have got that the root here for 4 to 6 4, that means
एकदम
E is
नहीं
the
आ
root.
रही है.
अब E और F में कौन सा रूट था? F is the root. So this becomes my, अभी तक की सोल्यूशन से हमें पता है कि इतना बाइनरी सर्च ट्री हमने क्रिएट कर लिया. ये समझ आ गया सबको? D is the root, then F is the root. पहले D रूट है फिर F रूट है. ये क्लियर हो रहा है सबको? How tree will be constructed?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Moving on to next now. Similar way,
मैम
constructing the value.
4,5 और 4,6 की एंट्रीज रीड करके बता दो. स्क्रीन क्लियर नहीं है.
4,5 और 4,6. 4,5 is 0.36. 4,6 is 0.56. What we have just calculated.
Okay, ma'am.
If you want, we can do more calculations. Now, high will change to 7. We will come out. Low will change to 3. Initially, high will be low -1. It is 2. That means this becomes 0. Then high will go to 3. 3,3 में 0.16 fill होगा. Then high will go to 4. 4 का क्या मतलब है? C और D में से रूट कौन है, पेरेंट कौन है, वो फाइंड करना है अब हमें. समझ आ रहे हैं हम छोटे सोल्यूशन से बड़ा सोल्यूशन कैसे बनाते जा रहे हैं? डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग का एसेंस, कंसेप्ट. अभी हम 2 से 3 बना रहे हैं, अब इसमें हम 3 से 4 का भी बनाएंगे, फिर यहाँ पे आते आते 5 का. फाइनली हमें 6 कीज का ट्री मिल जाएगा जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं. ये समझ आ रहा है सबको? टिल हियर वी नो
Yes, ma'am.
कि आउट ऑफ द 3 कीज DFE क्या क्या रूट हो सकता है. Now we are moving upwards and we are building the solution from small solutions. This is the very essence of dynamic programming. मतलब यही है. So एग्जाम में ये करना पड़ेगा, है ना? तो इसको हम फिर से कैलकुलेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. This time low is 3, high is 4. 2 possibilities of root become C or D, which is 3 or 4. Let us calculate the cost. Now again, एग्जाम में अगर नहीं कैलकुलेट करना चाहते हो कि कौन सा आएगा या कौन सा नहीं आएगा, या यू आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम, आउट ऑफ C and D यू नो कि C की प्रोबेबिलिटी कम है, D की ज्यादा है, तो D शुड बी द रूट. जिसकी सर्च प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा है वही रूट होना चाहिए ना. ठीक है ना? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when low is 3, then high should be 4, 5, 6. इन तीनों में से ना?
फिर से बोलो.
Ma'am, when low is 3, then high should run from 4 to 6. It should be 4, 5, 6, right?
It should run from 4 to 6. It is running from 4 to 6. When high is 4, then I am calculating. When high will be 5, then also I will. High is 4 मतलब मुझे ये वाली वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है. ये कैलकुलेट करने के बाद high will be 5, then high will be 6. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
तीनों के लिए वैल्यू तो कैलकुलेट करनी है ना. So I can only
Okay.
calculate for root is equal to 4 because I know that will give me the correct answer. So this is cost of 3, comma 4 minus 1, cost of 4 plus 1, comma 4. So this comes out to be cost of 3, comma 4 is cost of 3 plus 4, which is 0.16 plus 0.28. This is the cost here, searching 3 and 4, plus cost of 3, comma 3. 3, comma 3 is 0.16 again, and 5, comma 4 is 0. So the cost here comes out to be 0.6. Is it 0.6?
Yes, ma'am, it's 0.6.
How come am I able to calculate earlier than you all? क्यों मुझे आप लोगों से जल्दी रिस्पांस नहीं मिल पा रहा है? So this is 0.6 for root 4. If I check for 3 also, just for your convenience कि यही answer I know कि it is 4 and this is 0.6 only because it is obvious, but examination में दोनों calculate करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ यही समझा रही हूँ दोबारा. क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि D की probability of searching higher है, C की कम है, तो C और D में से D should be root. This is common sense. फिर भी if we want to check then C is the root, then what is the probability? Then we can check like this. So this becomes 3, comma 2 is 0 and 4, comma 4. The probability of searching 4, comma 4 is 0.28. So here the total will come out to be 0.68 or something. Or maybe even more. 0.72, sorry. Whatever this is coming out to be greater than 0.6. That means हमें lower वाली costs रखनी है, तो 0.6 is here, 4 is here. Understood? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Next time when I am now calculating, high will become 5. So when high becomes 5, there are now 4 possibilities. Root can be 3, 4, 5. हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो. Root can be 3, 4 or 5. Now again understand कि out of 4 and 5, D और E में से हमें पता है कि D root होना चाहिए. Out of C and D भी हमें पता है कि D root होना चाहिए. तो टेक्निकली तो यार हमें कैलकुलेशन की जरूरत नहीं है, D root के लिए ही हमें आंसर मिल जाएगा. दोनों के केस में हमें पता है कि D root होना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा होता कि C के लिए भी E root है और D के लिए भी सपोजिटली C root है, तो we don't know कि C और D में से कौन सा होगा. यहाँ पे it is obvious that individual दोनों trees में अगर हम चेक करें तो D is the root, 4 is the root for both of them. When 4 is the root for both of them, 4 will be the root here also. So you need not calculate for other roots in examination. वो calculation time बच जाएगा. And for only the root is equal to 4, 3 to 5 के बीच में आप calculate करोगे. The root is 4 and high is 5. So the cost you need to calculate क्योंकि आपको टेबल में भरनी है आगे के लिए. The cost will become this plus cost of 5, which is 0.04. Cost of 3, comma 3 comes out to be 0.16. Cost of 5, comma 5 comes out to be 0.04. 5, comma 5. So this comes out to be 0.48, 0.68. समझ आ रहा है सबको? So I will be having here 0.4 as the root and 0.68. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
This is definitely going to give me the minimum cost. Now again high becomes 6. Now here I also have another possibility of root, which is F or 6. Now when I am calculating this for f for 3,6 से लेके, now we have to check in this particular case. Now if we see C D E F में हमें नहीं पता, हमें सिर्फ ये पता है कि C D E में D is the possible root. That means C और E जो है वो रूट नहीं हो सकते, बट C और D और F में से कौन सा रूट है ये हमें नहीं पता. D और F में से कौन सा रूट है हमें पता है. D मतलब 4 से लेके 6 में रूट कौन सा था. 4 से लेके 6 में रूट कौन सा था.
4.
4. So we know कि D और F में से रूट कौन है. जब सब में रूट 4 है, that means that will remain the root with the minimum cost. We again need not calculate rest of the possible roots. एग्जामिनेशन में सारी वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट नहीं करनी पड़ेंगी. क्यों? क्योंकि इस कॉलम के साइड और नीचे और सब जगह यहाँ पे 4 ये you have to check here that when you are checking D की वैल्यू में C की पॉसिबल वैल्यू, E की पॉसिबल वैल्यू, सब D is coming out to be C और D में D is the root, D और E में D is the root, C D E में D is the root, D E F में हम D is the root हम पहले चेक कर चुके हैं. That means सब में D रहेगा रूट, तभी मिनिमम कॉस्ट आएगी.
Yes, ma'am.
That means we will be calculating it for D equal to 4 and we will be getting the answer. अगर आप चाहो तो आप सारे रूट्स के लिए कैलकुलेट करके चेक कर सकते हो, बाकी वैल्यूज बड़ी ही आएंगी. You can check it also. So we check for here I am doing only for one value which is 4. So that P3 से 6 is P3 which is 0.24 sorry 0.16 plus P4 it is 0.8 plus P5 0.04 plus P6 which is 0.08. This is the probabilities. Plus cost of 3,3 is 0.16 plus 5,6. 5,6 is 0.16 again. This is 0.16. So this comes out to be total. कोई कैलकुलेट कर रहा है मेरे अलावा, ये मैं खुद ही कर रही हूँ. .88 is what this is coming out to be. I am also human, can do errors. Anybody who is getting a better answer? This
Ma'am, for me it's coming out to be 0.772.
772. How come 772
Yes, ma'am.
not possible?
No, ma'am, it's 0.88 only. I just calculated.
हाँ, thank you so much. But 772 तो in any case not possible है. 3 digits तक तो हम जा ही नहीं रहे.
Recheck it.
Kindly recalculate and correct. It comes out to be 0.88. I am also calculating, but it is coming out to be 0.88. Then we again move one step ahead.
0.88, yeah.
Should I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am, it's 0.88 only. Yeah.
Okay. So now high 7 हो जाएगा, हम इस loop से बाहर आ जाएंगे. We'll go back to the higher loop. Low की value will change now to 2. It is still greater than equal to 1, so it will still run. High is initially low minus 1, which is 1. So 1, 2, this value becomes 0. Then high changes to 2. 2, 2 becomes the probability of 2. Then high changes to 3. 2, 3 we have to check B or C में से which is the. Now I have to check out of B and C which is the root. Out of B and C check करने के लिए. हाँ जी. Say again.
Ma'am, out of B and C, the probability.
Out of
B and C, की probability ज़्यादा होगी. That is the root.
You are correct. Absolutely correct, Chinna. तो B should be the root. आप उसी के root के लिए
Yes,
value
ma'am.
calculate कर सकते हो. It is obvious है. So this is P 2,3 plus. अगर still किसी को नहीं समझ आ रहा और confusion हो रही है तो फॉर्मूले से कैलकुलेट कर लेना, आंसर आएगा. कंप्यूटर को तो इंटेलिजेंस नहीं पता ना, हमें तो देख के पता चल रहा है. Computer will do like this only. Everything is calculated. Since the calculations the computer can do faster than us, that what we are dry running, that is why we get an answer very quickly. So this is low, comma, root. I am taking the root again out of the possible roots here. The root of b, root is either b or it is c, 2 or 3. 2 or 3 में से what we know is b is the root, so I am taking the root to be 2 minus 1 here, plus cost of 2 plus 1, root plus 1, comma, high, which is 3. This comes out to be probability of node 2, which is 0.24, plus probability of node 3, which is 0.16, plus cost of 2 comma 1, high greater than 1 is 0, empty tree, plus cost of 3 comma 3, that we will see from here, it is 0.16. This comes out to be 0.56.
0.56.
Very correct. Thank you, Khushbu. So this is 0.56 here, and the node here root is 2. Now when we move, अब हमें B, C और D में देखना है. तो B, C और D में we do not know which is the node. So what we are trying to find out, B, C और D में से अब हमें find करना है. So B, C and D are 3 possibilities of the root. C clearly doesn't stand a chance to be the root. C जो है हमें पता है C और D में से D is the, out of C and D, out of 3 and 4 we know 4 is there, out of 3 and 2 we know 2 is there. So 2 या 4 में से कैंडिडेचर है, अब कौन सा रूट होगा? 3 तो नहीं होगा. ये क्लियर हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
We have found C is a child of B, C is a child of D. Now out of B and D we do not know which is the parent. So that we are trying to calculate possibilities, we will be taking 2 and 4 to minimize our set of calculations. High now changes to 4. We are calculating 2 comma 4 now. We are first calculating for the same root, which is 2. If B is the root, then the probability here it will be plus the probability of 4, which comes out to be 0.28. Here it is again 0, and here 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 is 0.6, not 0.16, 0.6. So the total probability here, the cost of searching in this tree with root B will come out to be 1.28. This is what I am getting. In case all of you have also calculated, do let me know. 1.28. Anybody who has done the calculation?
Yes, ma'am, it is 1.28.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So let's try for root as 4. In case the root is 4, the values will change, probability remains the same. Cost of 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is 0.56 plus cost of 5 comma 4 is 0. So this comes out to be 1.24. Yes?
Yes, ma'am, it is 1.24.
So this comes out to be 1.24 with a root 4. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Next we again move. High becomes now 5. Possible value of root becomes 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we know again, यहाँ पे हमें पहले ही पता है कि D should be the root. If you just see, BCD में भी 4 is the root, CDE में भी 4 is the root. We already know that. Yes or no? BCD और CDE सब में से root, B का root भी D है,
4.
E का root भी D है. We have already found this.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no fight within की fight अलग है. B, C, E में आगे क्या होगा? That is separate. D is the root is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
That means we only have to calculate the cost for 4.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा. Somebody asking some question?
No,
Ma'am, she
ma'am.
said okay.
Okay. So now The probability here would be 2 to 5. Probability 2, probability 3, probability 4 plus probability of node 5, which is 0.4, plus here cost of 2 comma 3, which is 0.56, plus cost of 3 comma 4, not 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, sorry 5 comma 5, this will go now. High जो है वो 5 हो गया. The cost of 5 comma 5 is 0.16. Sorry, 5 comma 5 is 0.04. 5 is 0.04. This comes out to be 1.28. No, 1.32. Sorry. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
So this comes out to be 1.32 with root as 4. Now we have to calculate from BCDE to F also. Again, very clearly 4 will be the root here also. क्योंकि B, C, D, E, F में D सबका रूट आ रहा है ऑलरेडी हमें पता है. तो इस ट्री का रूट भी D ही रहेगा क्योंकि cost of searching from D will be the minimum. So again, when I am having F also, probability of root is this, but we know that minimum will come at 4 for the current example. So I am only calculating for 4. This is going from 6. This is also going till 6 here. So here it comes out to be here. We add plus 0.08 for F, and this becomes 2 comma 3. It remains the same. 5 comma 6 now becomes 5 comma 6 becomes 0.16. So this becomes 0.16. So this time it comes out to be 1.56. Yes? 1.56.
Yes, ma'am. 1.56.
Thank you so much. Till here, is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we move on to the last row, which is 1. And now we see A और B में से कौन सा better है? A या B? Obviously we see B is better. Out of A and B हमें पता चल रहा है ना कि B is better. A yes or no? Out of if I
Yes, ma'am. B is better.
जाएंगे,
Yes, ma'am.
हाई इनिशियली 0 होगा, हाई 0 होगा तो यहाँ पे 0 फिल होगा, हाई 1 होगा तो 1/1 पे प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 फिल होगी. अब हाई 2 हो जाएगा. देन वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट 1 से लेके 2 तक में वी हैव टू सी विच इज बेटर. रूट A इज बेटर और रूट B इज बेटर. 1 या 2 कौन सा रूट बेटर है R की पॉसिबल वैल्यू के लिए. फॉर दिस व्हेन वी आर फाइंडिंग probability of B is higher, तो A और B में B will be the root, ये हमें पता है. तो I am calculating with root as 2 now here. So the cost is cost of low comma root -1 plus cost of root +1 comma high. This comes out to be probability of 1, which is 0.20, plus probability of 2, 0.24, plus cost of 1 comma 1, which is probability of 1, which comes out to be 0.20 again, plus cost of 3 comma 2, which is 0, empty tree, comes out to be 0.64.
0.64.
Thank you so much. This is 0.64 here with a root 2. So A or B में से B is the root. B और C में से when I am increasing the value of high and I am calculating for this, A, B, C में से B is the root of A also, B is the root of C also. ये मुझे पहले ही पता है. So when I probability root can be 1, 2, 3, but I am again going only for 2 because I already know that B is the root of A also, B is the root of C also. So I am taking this root here, calculating for 1, 2, 3. 1 से लेके 3 तक के लिए the probability will increase to be 0.20 plus 0.24 plus 0.16. Then the cost changes to be here, it is 1 comma 1.2. Here it is 3 comma 3, which comes out to be 0.16. So the total cost comes out to be 0.96
Yes, ma'am. 0.96.
with the root 2. So the root is 2, the cost is 0.96. Next time, high becomes 4. Now out of A, B, C, D. Now I know कि A और B में B is the root, B, C, D में D is the root. I already know that. B, C, D का रूट हम पहले ही चेक कर चुके हैं, 4 है. A और B का रूट 2 है हमें पता है, पर B, C, D का रूट तो 4 है. We have already calculated. There is no doubt in that. अगर यहाँ पे 1 होता, A होता, तो 1 और 4 में से कौन है हमें चेक करना पड़ता. इन केस यहाँ पे रूट 1 आता तब हमें चेक करना पड़ता 1 और 4 में से कौन है. अब हमें पता है कि सिंस B इज द रूट है, B का रूट ऑलरेडी हमें पता है कि D है, then we have to only calculate for only possible root which is 4. ये आई होप आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. नहीं आ रहा है तो प्लीज पूछ लीजिए.
Yes, ma'am.
वरना क्या होगा, आपको सारी वैल्यूज के लिए कैलकुलेट करके मिनिमम निकालना है, which will come out to be the same. I am just telling you the shortcut of doing the same thing. So in case I am calculating it like this, it will now come out to be 0.20 plus 0.24 plus 0.16 plus 0.28. This comes out to be 1,3. अभी 0.20 नहीं रहा, अब ये कॉस्ट हो गई 1,3. 1,3 की कॉस्ट है 0.96 and this is 5,4 which is 0 initially. So this comes out to be
1.84.
Assuming you are correct, I have not calculated, it comes out to be 1.84. So here I am getting a 1.84 with a root 4. Similarly, I calculate for 5, for 6 also. Cost calculate करनी पड़ेगी. Root I know कि will be 4 only. So cost आप लोग calculate कर लीजिएगा 4 वाले root के लिए. ठीक है? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now how do I construct the tree? Can I tell you this? To us after calculating all the costs and after getting the roots, now I want to construct the optimal binary search tree with the minimum cost of searching in the tree, which is a 3.12. So the minimum cost I've got is 3.12 here. Now I want to be able to construct the tree. So from the given root, actually only this table we have got here. So when we have got here, we know कि 1 से लेके 6 तक का we know that the root is D. When I am calculating from A to F, I know the root is 4, which is D. Correct? So this is broken down into two subparts. One part is A to C, another part is E to F. Now I have to check A to C में root कौन सा है. A to C means 1 से लेके 3. 1 to 3 में the root is B. When the root is B, I know A and C will be like this. It's a binary search tree. Then out of E and F, 5 to 6 में root कौन सा है? 5 to 6 में the root is 6. That means F is the root here and E will be a left child of F. This becomes my final optimal binary search tree. Am I clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I show once again how did I construct the binary search tree? Or can everybody create it?
Yes, ma'am.
I should show again, Mansi.
Yes, ma'am. I had network issues.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा. I am saying I have to construct a binary search tree from A to F or from key 1 से लेके 6 तक में binary search tree चाहिए. So I check root of 1, 6. Root of 1, 6 is 4. 1, 6 is 4. That means A से लेके F तक में I know the root is D. Now the tree gets divided. A से C तक left में रहेंगे, E और F right में रहेंगे since it's a binary search tree. अब A to C में I have to check which is the root and E to F में I have to check which is the root. So now I am checking the root from A to C, which is 1 से लेके 3 का root कौन है? It is 2. That means for this subtree the root is B. जब root B है तो A और C will be left and right child only क्योंकि binary search tree है by the property itself. E और F में I again have to check root of 5, 6. Root of 5, 6 is coming out to be 6. That means E or F में से F becomes the root and E becomes the left child. So this is the desired optimal binary search tree. Is it now clear to all? How am I constructing a binary search tree?
Yes, ma'am.
See, it is very obvious from the given question. सबसे ज़्यादा probability D की है. D is at the root. बचे हुए उसमें से अगेन भी कैलकुलेट, तो D is at the root लेके आपकी बहुत सारी कैलकुलेशंस बच जाएंगी, so that examination में you can quickly solve the answer. Am I now clear to all?